What if you could create your freebies, your sales page, your sequence for your emails, your landing page, all in one complete system? That is exactly what flow marketing will do for you, my friend. My name's Tina Stapleton. I'm the founder of Lily AI Solutions, and flow marketing is one of the modules within Lily AI Solutions. And I'm sharing this presentation today so you can see how powerful and how quickly you can create your sales funnels. Okay, friends, so here we are in Lily AI. This is the main homepage, and you'll see on the left-hand side a navigation sidebar, and it's showing you some of the different tools that are in place or will be in place soon. So right now we're just talking about flow marketing, and I will expand flow marketing so that we can take a look at it. And I'll do a quick demo. I'm not going to spend tons of time on it. I just want to give you the feel of how it can be done and go from there. Okay. So the first thing is creating that freebie. So I'll go to freebie builder, and you have two different options here. You can select add section and then choose any of these sections you want, like your cover page, or a section header, etc. And once you do that, you would have to come in here and manually put the information, or if you created something in ChatGPT, you could just copy and paste it. But the whole thing we want to do, right, is to try to automate as much as we can, okay? So you can definitely do it, and I use it by sections a lot of the time. But what if you could just have the code, maybe you're using ChatGPT, and you click generate. Let me change this title real quick. Let's say 7-day calendar tips. I'll just keep it 7-day calendar for non-text. Again, this is just a sample, but I got the title in there. I'm going to click generate full freebie. And what it's going to do is this brings up this freebie topic. So I'm going to just paste in the information that will be used. Now, in Social Flow, and that's the next video I'll be releasing, Social Flow does calendars from beginning to end. So from the concept to captions to images to videos, all the way through to the point that it actually will add everything to your social media platforms, okay? But this is something a new person that maybe isn't really familiar with using ChatGPT or using other tools. It's still a really good process for them to go through. It's just kind of a walkthrough to get them comfortable. So I have my freebie topic. I'll click generate, and once it's finished, it'll generate the page, and we'll take a look at that. It should not take that long to do. Okay, so here it is. All the sections are laid out for you because we did the AI generation using just that prompt. And so you can see that it starts with the title right here, 7-day social flow content calendar. And you can see the subtitle, which shows on the right-hand side of the preview. And then it also shows what's inside. So this just lets your audience, when they download this freebie, just kind of does a quick overview, kind of like a table of contents that is in this freebie. And then you can see we go through the title here, the subtitle, okay? And all we put in was the title for AI to look at. And it includes different areas. So what's inside? You can also change, as I've mentioned, anything. You can also delete. So let's say you didn't want to have anything for this last one under what's inside. You could click the X to delete it. You could just go in the box and delete what's there and then type something else if there's something else you really want to be doing instead. It pulls the image from the brand profile. So when you subscribe to Lily AI, there's going to be a brand profile set up. It's going to have information about you. It's going to have information about your branding colors and fonts. It's going to have information about your ideal customer, it just pulls so much information just from your brand profile and uses it in different places in Lily AI. So that's where it pulled this image from. But I'm going to browse my library and I'm going to change the image. Now, this image is not related at all to flow marketing, but I just want to show you how easy it is to change an image. And then you can see that it's just going through the content. Here's your day one, and it just continues through. Okay. All right. So now that we had this in place, let's do a preview of the draft. Again, this can be downloaded as well to a PDF format. So the person who has downloaded this will have this information, can put it in PDF and print it if they like, so that they can write in examples, or they can just have a notepad or have notepad open on your computer or another tool. But this is what it's looking like. So it's the 7-day social flow content calendar for non-technical women. It's giving you your themes, and it's telling you it's a step-by-step guide that's going to show up online without causing stress or burnout. And then it goes through each day. So this is the first day, and it shows what's done, matters, and how it helps others. This is really great for onboarding for new people as well, because it truly helps you start thinking of what is it that really I have that I'm so passionate about that I feel like I must share the value behind this to others. Okay, so that's kind of the intent behind what we're looking at on the screen. But it goes through every day, and then you'll see how you can write your caption here. You can pull it from ChatGPT as well. But I like how it does give you examples to see it done first. And like this prompt, you would put it in ChatGPT. You can put it here as well, but you want to post it in ChatGPT. So if you're using just a PDF like I am, you can just, copy right here, and you could paste that into ChatGPT or another tool for the prompt. Okay, so that's basically what this does. It's just a learning experience, and it works really well for non-technical people that are just getting started and really don't understand the process. All right, so once we look at it, we say, okay, we're good, it looks great. The next step is to publish it. So I'll click publish. Now you can add a description of what the freebie contains. You don't have to have anything there. I would certainly suggest you put something in there. You can either type it yourself, or you can, again, go to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT help you with the description. Now, my thought is let's do what we can in Lily AI, because we have a complete system. If you need to have a caption, there's ways in Social Flow that can do this for you. And we'll talk about that once that video gets released, okay? One of the most important steps, so listen to me, let me say it again. One of the most important steps for you to do is to make sure that you have that connection in place. Remember how we talked about different systems that aren't connected, and that's what a lot of us are doing or have been doing before Lily AI or other solutions similar to this? You want to make sure that you have a sequence for your emails. I've already created the email sequence, and so it shows up here. Now, I could have more than one sequence. So the email sequence, again, is what you say on the first day. You're emailing someone after they've had your download. It's kind of a thank you for downloading this. It's to get to know them, and it's created automatically based on the emails that are set up in the sequence part of flow marketing. We can go into the freebies library, which is on the left, and this is the one that was just created. You can see if the PDFs have been done, if you have anything that already is active, you can see that information, and you can have this so it downloads. Now, in addition to this, it goes through the process of you creating those pages and funnels. So you have that information here. I'm not going to go through the entire process again, just to save time. But if I click on Funnel Manager, I can look at the information that we have, and it's showing us the social flow automated social media post. It's in draft right now. I could edit the funnel if I like and use this one. I could create a new funnel if I like and go from there. We already looked at flow marketing. We talked about the sidebar on the left. And this is really the command center for all things flow marketing. You'll see everything is organized in the dashboards. You'll see the sidebar so you'll know where to go. And this is where you can access the freebie builder, the landing pages, email sequences, sales pages, and then that great dashboard that actually will keep up with everything that you have as far as if people have signed up for freebies and really know how well your content is converting. So this is the freebie builder just as a kind of quick refresher. This is some of the things you can create, and there are templates available that are in the freebie builder. So the cover page you've seen, there's a table of contents. You can do text content, you can do checklist, and then at the very end of the freebie, you're going to want to have a call to action of some sort. That should typically be at the very end of your presentations. So that's shown here as well. The freebie really is the foundation of your entire funnel, guys. And so, you want to make sure it's professional and you want to make sure it's valuable resources to really attract your ideal customers. And then for your email sequencing, you can decide how many emails you want to send. So in this case, the exact day zero, like they clicked, they want to download it, they gave you their email, and then what should happen automatically is they get sent the freebie or a link to the freebie, depending on how it's set up. So they would have a link to this PDF file. And from there, on day two, you're going to want to share more tips and resources. You're going to want to go into more detail than what was provided in just your freebie, okay? And that will be a second email. And then for this email sequence, we have a day 5. And on day 5, it's invite further action. So whether it's to sign up for a course or to join your subscription service or products, this is how the sequence would flow. This is showing you an example of that email sequence. So day 0, again, this is what they should see. Your download is here. It should be going to their mailboxes automatically, and it sets the expectations for what's coming next, okay? And then the second day, follow up with actionable advice that's related to the freebie that they have downloaded. Share a success story or answer common questions or provide another bonus resource because the email builds trust and it keeps you on top of their mind. And then finally, introduce your paid offering, but introduce it in a soft and helpful way. I don't see the benefit personally of anyone downloading a freebie and then feeling like they're pressured into doing a call to action, right? You want it to be because you truly, genuinely believe that this is a product that's going to help them in their businesses in some way. And that's why I built Lily AI Solutions. I built it because of struggles I was having. I built it because of struggles that other people that I work with were having. And that's what you want to do. You want to make this offer, but you want it to be helpful, okay? That's just so important as you start building up your business or continue to grow your business. And this is the sales page. So this is the final destination in your funnel. You're going to have nurture leads that become paying customers. You'll have this page. You can click get started now is what we're looking at here. And at that point, welcome to having a new customer. And make sure you welcome them and let them know how happy you are that they took this step. You want your sales page to be clear and compelling. And using flow marketing, you're going to have conversion tested templates. So instead of having to really create the entire sales page, Flow Marketing will do that for you. It's part of the automation process, and you want to focus on benefits on your sales page, not just the features, and talk about challenges that your customer is facing. So here's what I hope you see. Flow Marketing truly connects everything. It's going to have your freebie page, your landing page, your emails, and your sales pages, and they all work together as a simple system in a system that's created to do just this. Attach freebie to landing page. I know I've said that multiple times, but it truly is the most critical connection to have, because if you don't have it, your subscribers can't receive the freebie and your funnel breaks, and you do not want that to happen. You'll use your email sequences to nurture, and this helps to build your relationships. And then the lead board is something you will be spending a lot of time on, at least 5 minutes every day, right? That's a lot of time. Just so you can make sure you're looking at your best sales opportunities. And if you use the Create Full Funnel, it's going to build your entire structure at once, and it's going to save you time and avoid missing steps, especially with the AI generation option that you have. So yeah, just make sure you check your funnel daily and let Flow Marketing do what Flow Marketing is here to do. All right, friends, that's it. That's it. Presentation on Flow Marketing. I know I've gone a little fast through this. I just wanted you to see what can be done. It can do much more than what we did in the simple demo, but I hope you got information that helps. And to help you, I'm offering you a 14-day flow marketing journey for free. Okay. You've got the information from this presentation to help you. The system is designed for you if you're non-technical, or if you're just busy, you're ready to grow, or you're growing and you just want to save time. Take that next step. Go ahead and start your free trial so that you can experience how flow marketing can truly simplify your business. Now, there's no credit card required at all. You'll have access to all the features in flow marketing. And so go ahead and do that. And yeah, I am so excited for you. I cannot wait to see how it works for you. Feel free to reach out to me at any point. I would recommend go ahead and follow me as well on Facebook. You can search for Lily AI Solutions. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation. Again, make sure you follow and like and share so that you'll get information as the next presentations come out. I'll be working on Social Flow next. I'll probably break it down into several presentations because there's a lot to go over. Thanks again. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, make it a great day.